Hello everyone, my name is Charles and I just finished my PhD from MIT in electrical engineering. CT scanners play an essential role in healthcare. As you may already know, CT scanners work by detecting X-rays going through the patient's body and reconstructing them into slices. Despite 50 years of technological improvement, CT scanners still exhibit severe physical limitations and safety concerns. On many scans, you will see artifacts like those, which results in an incalculable number of misdiagnoses, but it also means that the patient was exposed to an unnecessary amount of radiation. In cardiac radiology alone, 50% of patients might get such inconclusive CT scans because of artifacts. Overall, there are 4 million scans per year that have to be repeated because of similar reasons, leading to a $12 billion loss in the US per year for the healthcare system. And all of those artifacts arise because of limitations in the detector technology. So at Astrahl, we build CT scanners that take high-fidelity X-ray images using our own detection technology that we developed at MIT Labs. And the image you see here was taken with one of our detectors, and the bright square corresponds to an area we patterned with nanostructures in order to enhance its efficiency. Our core innovation is an enhanced X-ray detector, which will lead to revolutionary improvements in safety, accuracy, and expanding diagnostic capability, enabling potentially very early-stage cancer detection, scanning vulnerable populations, but also preventing many invasive procedures per year. Most of X-ray detection works with scintillators. They are indirect detectors that convert X-rays into visible light. It is a very cheap and easy to integrate technology, but it comes with severe physical limitations in terms of the resolution and efficiency. It makes grayscale images because the detectors are insensitive to the color of X-rays, which in technical terms is their energy. Very recently, however, a competitive technology was FDA approved by Siemens, solving most of those challenges, but at a much higher price, and it is also much harder to retrofit in scanners and much harder to work with for radiologists. In less than a year, however, it conquered 20% of the CT market value, showing the huge excitement around it. At Astrahl, we make detectors that rely on the first type of technology integrated with nanostructures in a way that we keep the cost low, the integration easy, and we bring important improvements in resolution and efficiency, even potentially beyond the second type of detectors. In particular, we can make colorful images so that we provide a lot more information for doctors to make their diagnostics. The science behind our technology was peer-reviewed and published in the top journal Science earlier this year. We have 2 patents and AI software that we wrote to further protect our innovation, and the additional information that's provided by our detectors can be leveraged by AI algorithms in order to train the algorithms more efficiently, which is great timing given the rise of AI in medical imaging. We have retrofitted our detectors into an existing industrial CT scanner, showing 10x improvement. We have existing champions and partners at top radiology research centers in the US and at scanner manufacturer companies. We believe that this early traction might just be the tip of the iceberg, given the huge excitement in the radiology community that this technology might be transformative for much of modern medicine. So let me tell you our plan to conquer the $7 billion market. So first, we will sell our refurbished CT scanners with our detectors in there to tech-savvy radiology research centers in the US. The great thing is that it does not require FDA approval and will allow us to make clinical tests to then get FDA approval. From there, we can expand to imaging centers and hospitals, selling a full CT scanner as an OEM company. And beyond the CT market, there are many opportunities for Astrahl to innovate in industrial and medical applications. So today we're looking for a seed investment in order to expand our engineering team and bring our first product to market in 2 years. From there, we will be in a good shape to look for FDA approval. We count in our teams the inventor of this technology, chief medical officers, and startup veterans. There are 5 startups that were co-founded by some members of this team, 2 acquired, and $300 million raised in deep tech companies. I would like to thank you for your attention, and I really hope that with the support of MIT100K, we can bring to life the full potential of astrahl, which we believe could be transformative for human health. Thank you.